Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some pizzas. Now I'll name each individual pizzas a little bit later in the video because I want to give you the universal pizza dough and the universal pizza sauce we're going to be making for these three pizzas. Well, what I have for the liquid is a hazy oat IPA called Good Good from Dual Citizen Brewing Company. It's a local brewing company here in Minnesota. And the dough is actually pretty simple to make. Okay, it starts off with 5 cups of flour in the bowl of a stand mixer, followed by 3 teaspoons of salt, followed by a tablespoon of olive oil, and followed by 1 packet of instant yeast or quick rise yeast. And I have to stress, it has to be instant or quick rise. Can't be the active dry stuff. Then you want to pour in 2 1/4 cup of that beer. 2 1/4 cups. Or you can do water if you like, but I think beer adds kind of a nice flavor to the pizza dough. And then just with the dough hook attachment and on the number 1 speed, the slowest setting, you want to knead this for 8 minutes and 30 seconds. The dough should look like this when you got about a minute left on it, maybe 30 seconds. That's what you're looking for. And then after it's done doing its thing, you want to divide this into 15-ounce balls to 16-ounce balls, depending on how big the wad is. And then you want to age these in, put them in Ziploc bags, and then put them in the fridge for 48 to 72 hours. Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Triarchy Pizza. First thing we got to do is make a sauce for it, and here's the sauce. It's real easy. 28 ounces of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic minced, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Again, if you would like the sauce to be spicy or spicier, add some more red pepper flakes. All right, so we're going to spoon some sauce on our crust. This crust was aged for 72 hours. Again, that pizza dough, the minimum is 48 hours. The max is 72, and I really do recommend going to the 72. And now we want to add some mozzarella cheese. And now we're going to add some pepperonis. And then some Canadian bacon. And this was supposed to be salami, but I couldn't find it in my fridge, so I just said screw it and went with Italian sausage. But originally it was supposed to be salami. And then basically you just want to pop this into a 550-degree oven, or as high as your oven could go, for about 8.5 minutes at 550. Obviously, if you can only get up to 500, you'll have to tack a few minutes more on. But again, you want the cheese all nice, melty and bubbly, and the edges golden brown. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our pizza is done, and it looks glorious. And this pizza lasted all of like 25 minutes. All right, so that's the Triarchy Pizza. Done.